Ma'am, Samarth has gone to restroom.
Okay, so let's start. We eat a variety of food every day. What are disadvantages of eating same type of food every day? So have you faced this condition? Like you are eating every day the same type of vegetable or same type of food. Have you done it for a week? So what are the
Excuse me, ma'am.
disadvantages? Yeah.
Ma'am, can you repeat what you said?
The question is on the screen, Samarth.
Yes, ma'am.
The question is, we are eating a variety of food every day. So what are the disadvantages of eating same type of food every day? Let's say if I eat daily potato, or let's say if I eat daily lady's finger, or if I eat cauliflower daily. So what are the disadvantages of eating same type of food every day? This is the question I am asking you all. You need to give me what are the disadvantages. Answer.
Ma'am, how much disadvantages?
At least two.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Manan.
ma'am, one can I tell?
Yeah.
Ma'am, one disadvantage is that if we eat same food daily, so that we will not get the other nutrients. We will get the one, and that is not good for our health.
Very good. Excellent point. So the point is, if we are eating only one type of food, then many of the nutrients might be missing from our diet. So we are not eating balanced diet. So to avoid that, we should eat variety of food every day and try to change them. Okay, Samar, do you find any other disadvantage, or Tanmay?
Ma'am, can you repeat the disadvantages?
Speak again, Samar.
Ma'am, can you tell the disadvantages
Yeah,
that Manan?
I'm writing it on the screen.
Okay,
If
ma'am.
we eat same type of food every day, then we might miss the other important nutrients in our diet. So like say if I'm eating lady's finger
Ma'am,
day.
I have another one.
Yeah, tell me.
Ma'am, if we eat the same type of food, then we can suffer from deficiency diseases.
Yeah, so we can suffer if we might lose some important nutrient, then we might suffer from deficiency diseases. So you can add on that point also. That is correct, Samar. That,
Ma'am, Manan's point was correct.
yeah, that might lead to deficiency diseases. So what should you say, every one of you, that we should eat a balanced diet and we should keep changing our food. We should not eat the same type of food every day. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's move to the next question. Tanmay, have you understood this? Please take the screenshot.
Ma'am, please show the slide.
Yeah.
Done.
Okay, so I'm writing the next question.
Ma'am,
Yes.
today we had a mock test of maths, and I thought that it was too easy, and it was literally too easy. I know everything in the paper.
Great, great, great. Very good. So how much you score?
Ma'am, we didn't get the scores now. We will get in the next maths class.
Okay, okay. And how about Tanmay?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Tanmay, how was your mock test?
What, ma'am?
How was your mock test of maths?
Good, ma'am.
Very good. So we cook food to make it easy to digest. So that is sufficient. So let's proceed to the next question. What are the ingredients of curd?
Milk,
It is correct. Milk is ingredient. What else?
beetroot,
Speak again.
beetroot,
We are asking for curd. So for curd making, you are saying you are using beetroot?
no,
No, no.
ma'am.
Yes, Samar.
Bacteria. Ma'am,
Yeah.
sugar.
Okay. So Mishti
Ma'am,
Doi.
yeast. Ma'am, sugar.
So both of you have not made curd at your home, I'm sure. So milk and a little bit, let's say little bit of curd. You can say 1 tablespoon of curd, and if needed, sugar. Otherwise, we don't put sugar. So it can be milk and curd. So this is the ingredients which you can put for making of curd. So it can be sugar, sugar can be optional. Okay, now you need to give me right ingredients of chapati.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes,
Ma'am, wheat and water.
wheat flour,
And water.
water, salt. Some people put salt. Some people like put ghee during like roasting of chapati. They are just putting a little bit of ghee on it. So these are the ingredients of chapati. What are the ingredients of idli? It is rice, pulses, water, and like you can put some eno salt. Okay. Okay. So can we move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Sugar. I'm saying from where we obtain sugar.
Ma'am,
What is the source of sugar?
ma'am, can I tell?
Yes,
Ma'am, sugar cane.
sugar cane. So you should say it is plants. We obtain it from plant. Sugar, source of sugar is plant. Okay. What do you say? What is the source of jaggery? Jaggery, you know,
Mom, plant.
it is again plant. So you are correct. The source of jaggery is plant. Okay. What is the source of butter?
Me, mom.
Yes.
Mom, jaggery means
What is the source of butter?
mom, ghee.
Plant or animal?
Mom,
Animal. You should say it is animal product. Okay. So let's move to the next question. You have to name 4 milk products. Yes, anyone.
mom, Samar. Can I tell?
Manan. Tanmay. Samarth.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
first-
Tanmay, no.
Tanmay.
Ma'am, cheese, milk,
Just a minute. Only one for each.
cheese,
Cheese. So cheese is correct. Okay. Samarth.
Yes, ma'am. Mom, paneer.
Paneer. Okay. Manan, are you ready with the answer?
Ma'am, Manan is not in the meeting.
Okay. Okay. Tanmay, you tell me the answer. Okay, Samarth, you tell me the answer.
Ma'am, buttermilk.
Buttermilk is correct.
And ma'am, can I tell another?
Yes.
Mom, ghee.
What is another example?
Ma'am, ghee.
Ghee. That is butter, you can say, or ghee. You are
ma'am, I
correct.
can tell Tanmay one more.
Yeah, Tanmay. Go ahead.
Tofu.
Tofu.
Ma'am, what is tofu?
Okay, Tanmay. So have you tried Tanmay tofu? How it tastes? Do you like it or not?
Not.
Ma'am, what is tofu?
Okay. So
Ma'am, what is tofu? Ma'am, can you hear me?
Okay, so can we move to the next slide? Have you written this questions in your copy
Ma'am, can you hear me?
or you have taken a screenshot?
Ma'am, can you hear me? Ma'am. Ma'am, what is the meaning of tofu?
Okay, so now I am moving to the next question. Okay, now you need to tell me rice about rice. Rice is like we are eating it regularly. So I'm just writing some option. It is like match the column. You have to
Ma'am,
match.
can you hear me?
What you are saying, Samar?
Ma'am, what is the meaning of tofu?
What is the meaning of?
Ma'am, the fifth reason of milk is used in which product?
I'm not able to hear you properly, Samar.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of tofu?
What is the meaning of?
Ma'am, the fifth product
Tofu,
of milk, tell me
tofu.
say.
Okay, tofu. Okay, tofu is like paneer.
Okay, ma'am.
This is match the column. Please write it in your copy. You have to send me the answer. Right.
Flour, cauliflower. Ma'am, cauliflower is a flower.
Now you have to match them. I'm giving you 3 minutes to try it yourself and come up with the answer. You have to match. There can be like multiple matches. Okay. As you can see, there are here 3, 6, 7.
And you have
Right.
almost gave same the answers you have written.
Just complete it, then we will discuss.
Ma'am, we have to write it in.
Write it and complete it. 30 seconds. Okay, so let's have 30 seconds break, not more than that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.